Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. In today's video I'm talking about a Lever token. Unfortunately now in a nowadays in a right now situation, LeverFi coin, Lever token are continuously jumping. If we see the latest price update of Lever token, so as you can see here, the last 24 hours changes in a Lever token as negative 3.34% the price jump in last 24 hours. So in a currently condition, the price of Lever token are continuously jumping. A lot of people, a lot of audience ask me questions about Lever token, that how much long it will continue this jump and when the again possibilities that LeverFi token price will again increase guys. So now the current price is 0.003455 US dollar guys. Now it's going a negative direction, but very soon guys it's a temporary jump of LeverFi token. So you know, after 1 or 2 days guys, and the last of this month and the last week of this month guys, big possibilities for a LeverFi token guys, that again it's going bullish, again it's going 200% positive in the last week of this month guys. So my personal opinion for my audience, those people who follow my YouTube channel, my recommendation for all of them is to buy LeverFi token on currently condition, on current price, because current price is very lowest price and it's biggest opportunity for buying Lever token guys. And if we talk about a prediction, so my personal prediction, I'm sure guys that in the last of this week and the last of week of this month, big possibilities that it will pump guys. So that's why I recommend buying guys. By the way, remember I'm not a financial advisor. If you want buy, say that hold any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.